Hi everyone, my name is Casey, and today I will be teaching you how to make salted chocolate chip shortbread cookies. First, you're going to want to get 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to slice this butter into thin slices to make it easier to mix. You're going to need 1/2 of a cup of granulated white sugar. You're also going to need 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're also going to need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. You can do more or less chocolate chips depending on how many you like in your cookies. This is about what you should have so far for ingredients. Next, you're going to want to take out your stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use a hand mixer. This is just going to take longer than a stand mixer would. Inside the stand mixer bowl, you're going to add all of the butter, all of the brown sugar, all of the granulated white sugar, and all of the vanilla extract. Once you've mixed for about 1 to 2 minutes, the mixture should look something like this. Next, you're going to add half of the flour into the mixture, and you're going to mix the mixture until all of the flour is combined. And then after, you're going to add the second half of the flour, and you're going to mix until combined again. And you're going to mix the chocolate chips in until it looks something like this picture. You're going to place 2 medium-sized pieces of SARAN wrap on a clean surface. You can also use parchment paper, but sometimes that doesn't work quite as well. You're going to split the dough in half, and you're going to roll each of those halves into logs, as shown in this picture. And then you're going to place 1/2 of the dough on one piece of SARAN wrap, and the other half of the dough on the other piece of SARAN wrap. And then you're going to wrap the dough up in the SARAN wrap tightly. Now you are going to place the dough in the fridge for 2 hours. After the 2 hours is up, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take your dough out of the fridge and unwrap it. Now you're going to take 1 large egg, you're going to crack it, and then you're going to whisk it. And then you are going to use a brush or another tool to completely coat the dough in egg. Okay, now you're going to take out your brown sugar, can be light or dark. Then you're going to put about 1 cup of brown sugar on the counter or on a clean surface. And then you are going to completely coat those 2 dough logs that you coated in egg previously in brown sugar. Now you're going to cut those dough logs into as thick or as thin pieces as you want. The cook time may vary though if you cut them too thin or too thick, but it really doesn't matter overall. Now I'm going to put the cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You are then going to sprinkle the top of these cookies with salt. Once the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, you are going to place the cookies into the oven and cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until edges are crispy. The middle may be a little soft, but it'll harden when it cools. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you guys are all safe and healthy during this time.